that there is a real possibility, a chance to reach a ceasefire, which will also have a perspective for the future. And if that is the case, I think that we are in a better situation today than we were yesterday. But I also have to say that our experience is that we have to see what will actually be on the table. And if Russia is not delivering in action, but only in speech, then I think we have reached a situation where we need to get into action more sanctions than we have today.
Just finally, a question on the European Union in terms of those countries. There's been a suggestion that many European nations are not spending enough when it comes to their own security within the NATO alliance. What's your take?
I understand that the US think it would be fair that Europe take more expenses from NATO. I understand that wish and we support it. I also have to say that when we're looking at how much do we actually deliver in NATO, we should not only look at how many money we spend, but also how we use them. What is the output? How willing are the states to actually deliver material and to deliver personnel into the crisis of the world? So let's assess also the output and not only the input from each nation.
Thank you very much.